Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the top 6 essential pieces of equipment you need to create a stunning film. I would know because all these pieces of equipment I actually used in my first indie film, Godless. The first piece of equipment we used was a Panasonic Lumix 1 6K DSLR camera. Now, this camera was very useful to us as it was handheld, so it allowed us to get a lot of different shots and to record at a very high quality. The next piece of equipment is an Amazon Basics monopod, which is very useful as we tried to record a lot of our scenes handheld, but then we found out that it was way too shaky. So to stabilize it a bit without losing a lot of that mobility, we found that this monopod, which is actually quite cheap, was worked perfectly. The next thing is actually a piece of technology called DaVinci Resolve, which is a free editing software that has very professional level color grading options, which admittedly I didn't end up using, but I still learned how to use. And because it was free, it allowed me and the other guy that directed this to communicate or to send the project file back and forth. So we thought that was invaluable. The next thing we used was a SanDisk SD card, which was very fast and had a lot of storage. It was what we had immediately available to us, but we still thought it was very good. We also ended up using Final Cut Pro 10 because it has a lot of very advanced capability and it's very easy to use. It's very time efficient too. It's very quick to make cuts with. And then the final piece of equipment we used was an Amazon Basics camera bag. This was because we had a lot of different equipment, like a lens that came with the camera, the monopod, the SDs, and the camera batteries, which we were transporting around quite frequently as they didn't belong to us. So this bag helped us out a lot with that. And as a bonus, we also took advantage of DaVinci Resolve's stabilizer tool, which worked fantastically to stabilize some of the more shaky shots, although it did zoom in a bit.